Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So in this video, what we're gonna talk about is how to find a banger with the Strat Method. How do you find a banger with the Strat Method? Now, nothing that I said in this video is financial advice. If you guys want financial advice, go talk to a licensed financial advisor. But what I can guarantee you is that financial advisor, they ain't heard about no Strat Method. All right? So, with that being said, if you guys been watching me for any period of time, y'all know my levels go crazy. Y'all know I be calling some crazy, insane bangers, right? Crazy, insane bangers. And you may say, I've had people email me in the Discord, yo, how did you know that this stock was gonna do this? How'd you know? Right? So I'm gonna share this, and I'm gonna break this down for you guys, okay? So, when we're trying to find bangers with the strat method, first things first is you need to understand the strat combinations. And the strat method is not just some combinations and that's it. No, it's not like that, right? Strat method is a way to read price action in a very powerful way. So, first things first is you need to understand the combinations and the entries and what they like, how it's triggered. Okay? So, with that being said, look at this. Okay? This is a cheat sheet. I've showed this to you guys a million times. We have a 2-1-2 bullish continuation. We have a 2-1-2 bearish bullish reversal. 3-1-2, 2-1-2 bearish, 2-1-2 bearish, continuation and reversal, 3-1-2, a 1-3, a 1-3, right? 1-2-2, 2-2-2, 2-2-2, right? A 2-2, a 2-2 bearish, right? And a 3-2-2, and a 3-2-2. So, with that being said, this is the strat combos. Now, once you understand these strat combinations and you understand what you want to trade, that is when you start to unlock this massive world of opportunity. Okay? So now we got an understanding about the combinations. If you guys have not watched my Strat Method video on the entries and the exits and all of that, go on the Strat Method playlist and watch my Strat Method videos, okay? Because I'm gonna teach you how to your entries and all of that. But, so now we need to understand what strat combination you see. Then what you do is, you say, okay, you understand what is the time frame that you're looking at. If you want to look for a great leap or a swing trade 2 months out, you want to look for something that's about to explode, you don't want to be looking at the 5-minute time frame. You just don't. If you want to look at something that's going to go crazy this week, you don't want to look at the 30-minute time frame. That's my opinion. Now, everybody going to be different, but I like that weekly time frame. That's how I've been able to go crazy. And I'm going to tell you exactly why. So let's say you're on the, let's say y'all like the 5-minute time frame. I don't know why, okay? I don't know why, but y'all be liking that 5-minute time frame. So let's say you want to trade the 5-minute time frame, okay? Give you an example. So right here we got Intel. It don't matter the stock, right? Okay. On the 5-minute time frame, we got a failed 2 down right here, right? So it's important to understand your entry is at the top of this failed 2 down right there. Okay, failed 2 down. Now that is at 121, and then your exit price, your take profit is going to be right here at this 121.94. So because it's on a 5-minute time frame, the move is only going to be so big. the move is only going to be so big, right? So this same structure on a bigger time frame is going to do the same thing. So so we got a failed 2 down. You enter in right here and you take profits where? At the high of this candle. So you get a move from 121.34 to 121.94. That's 60 cents, right? Wow. That's on the 5 minute. Let's go to the daily. All right. So now let's say you see another failed 2 down. Let's go. Intel. Perfect example right here. So we have what? Another failed 2 down right here. Failed 2 down. Boom. Right? All right, cool. So on this, you enter in right here. So you enter in at 119, right? 119.40. But now where do you take profit at? You take profit right here at 121.99. So now you get a $2 move. You get a $2 move. So in that 5 minute time frame, you got a 60 cent move. On a daily time frame, you get a $2 move. Let's keep going. Weekly time frame. Failed 2 down, right? Let's go find a weekly time frame failed 2 down. Let's see. I'm not seeing a solid one on Intel here. Let's go to a different stock. Let's go to Amazon. Last week. All right, cool. So right here, right? We got a failed 2 down right here. So you take entry right here. This is at what? 240. 240.38. Now where you take profits? Up here. Did it get all the way up there? No. But this is what? A $8 move. You got $7. Because the take profit and the structure on a Strat Method setup is going to be the same. But the time frames is going to allow you to have a bigger move. Right? So weekly is $7. But let's say we sold off and like there's a bigger gap, there's a bigger move. Let's see if we can find another one, a different one. Let's go find Palantir. They've been kind of playing around lately. But let's look at Apple. Let's see on the weekly. On the weekly, a failed 2 down right here. We got entering right here at 256. You could say right here is your next take profit and then right here, right? So from 256 to 262, that's $6 right there. And then it kept going the next week. Boom, 266, right? This is a trend change, and so they started going crazy over here, right? Look at this 212, right? We had a 1 candle on a weekly, got above it. You break above here from 266 all the way up to 270. That's a $10 move within a week. Okay? So, the weekly time frame. Now let's look at the monthly. Let me show y'all one of the stocks that I called months ago. Last year, I called Dell. Back in what, September, I want to say? This was June. Boom, right here, right, Dell. We had a failed 2 down right here. We had no real resistance. Broke above 141.60. Where did they go to? All the way to 167 in a week, y'all. In a week. $20 move in a week. I saw that failed 2 down on a weekly. I remember I called OKLO. Same month, same time. Right? What happened? Right here? No, this was 2025, but let's see. Oh, this is the monthly. Look at this. Failed 2 down in April of 2025. I don't know why it's saying $23. Well, maybe in April 2025 it was $23. Okay? And then look what happened. The next month, right, it went crazy, right? If you go to the weekly as well, let's go back to the weekly on OKLO. And let's go to when I had called it back in this area right here. Do I see a failed 2 down? I don't see a failed 2 down. It's all good. It's all good. I don't see a failed 2 down over here. This was in May. Yeah, 2025, December. Here we go, right here. December, we had a failed 2 down right here on a weekly. Entering above 78.52. Look what it did. It went all the way up to 115. Okay? So this was a bull flag breakout right here, and they went crazy. This is when I had called it this month in September. Okay? We got a 212 right here. 2-1. Break above here, 130. You ride it up to 143, 144. Right? This is how you find absolute life-changing trades in a week, in a month. Stay off that 5-minute time frame. Stay off that 2-minute time frame. Stop looking at things in such a small perspective, and you want to broaden your horizons. You want to think bigger. Okay? You got to think bigger if you want to make bigger. And then you got to be more patient. I hope that this video made something click for you guys. I talk about the Strat Method every single day. I am not on a 5-minute time frame, y'all. I'm not. I am not on a 3-minute time frame. I'm not doing that. Day trading, I'm looking at 30-minute hourly, and everything else, I'm looking at the 4-hour, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. That's how I find bangers. That's how I find trades that have changed people's lives that I don't even know. Some of y'all got y'all life financially changed, and I ain't even met y'all yet. But that's how we do it. Okay? So I hope that this video helped something click for you, and I hope that it, I hope that it helped you. All right? So like I always say, make sure you get up out your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right? And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right? Y'all have a great day. I'm going to holler at y'all on the next video. Y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.